Do you have a lot of Ollama models that you're trying to keep up to date and you're not sure how to do it without pulling them one at a time? Well, instead of doing Ollama pull and then model name to do it one at a time, we can actually make a simple shell script which will just pipe that list into an awk command so we can split out the model names. We separate by colon, and then we pipe that into parallel to be able to update as many as we need at a time. So -J means how many jobs we're looking to run. So I can change this to 4, and we can pull 4 of these models at a time. I usually leave it to 1 just so that I can do other stuff while this is updating. But if you're just going to leave it on autopilot, you could set it to as many jobs as your machine can handle. Once we run this, it'll actually go through the list one at a time, and it will send that into this parallel command, and it'll just pull as you go, and you can update all your models in one go. If you want to level up, you can actually go ahead and write that to an Ollama updater file. And that way you can just call this Ollama updating file command whenever you want. Or you could do what I do and set it up as an alias so that you can upload them all at the same time. Be sure to subscribe to the channel for more tips and tricks like these.